Hello everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing of Galaxy Note 9. It's a 128 GB version, ocean blue color. So here's the box. It's a pretty premium looking box. And here's the quick starter guide and some information. How to transfer content to your new Galaxy, mobile care, and in French as well. So here's the device. Pretty solid, good looking. Pretty awesome looking phone, great device, nice color, shiny color. Let's see what's inside the box. There's the first charger, USB connector, USB to USB Type-C, and charging cable, headphone. Samsung is not providing their own headphone anymore. They're providing a headphone from AKG, and we'll test the headphone and see how it's look like. There's some S Pen tips with and tip ejector tool, and some headphone tip as well. So that's all for you guys today. I'll be doing a more video on the phone feature, and please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.